Crest Canyon. I'm here with my boy Roberto. He's in his GTO. We're just cruising and yeah, there's some.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
We had a freaking accident again. The Nova broke. I don't know if my oil pan broke or my oil filter, but anyways, I hit a bump over there and you can see all the oil. Freaking, I felt the bump right away and I just started noticing my oil pressure going down. I seen smoke, so I pulled over right away. I killed the car, but we're stuck here now on the way home from Angeles Crest, so I'm waiting for AAA to come by. It's crazy.
A few moments later.
So AAA just got here right now. They came in one of these trucks and the driver told me that they can't take me because it's too low, so they gotta send another driver over here with a flatbed. So no, another fucking 30 minutes away.
Did you catch Robert?
Now we got a flatbed, so now we'll be able to get out of here. Alright, so made it back at the house. About to check if it's just the oil filter, or hopefully it's just the oil filter and not the oil pan again, but we'll see right now. Okay, let's go. So you can see it's already welded before and it looks like it's coming out of there. So let's try up this. Let's see, we gotta let it sit for like a little bit and see if it's seeping out any of the, there's like a little tiny crack or something, but I think, let me see, I think that's it. Either there or there, but let's see if it leaks from here anywhere. The only drips on the floor left are right here under the oil filter, so I'm assuming it's just that. But yeah, we made it home safely. Luckily nothing happened. Like, I turned the car off right away on the freeway, so we were able to pull over easily. But yeah, there's that video. See you guys next one.